Alright guys, what's up in another video, and in today's video I'm going to test my new weapon I just got in Rivals shotgun. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get into it. I think, let me go here, right here. I'm level 12 guys, so ooh, you wanna play? Yeah, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to test you guys. Please like and subscribe guys. I'm doing it for my family guys. I need money for my family guys. Please. I need to take village. Wait. Ooh, splash. Ah, shotgun, handgun, fist, and grenade. Okay. Ooh, got him. Ooh, I killed him. Oh my gosh, shotgun is actually insane. Alright guys. No, 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 is it? No, going to die. Oh wait. Oh my gosh. He took RPG and killed me. I mean, wait. No way. Boom. Boom. No, I lost. His life was so low. No. He's taking RPG. Okay, shotgun is good with only close range. Okay. No. No way. No way. Shotgun is good, guys, but I mean, oh boy. Oh boy. Ooh. Okay. No. How did I lose? His life was so low. Oh my gosh. I need a better. Okay, let me take handgun. Okay. Yes, I killed him. Yes. Oh yeah. Take that! Take that! Let me aim. Oh no! No. No way! No! Also lock in, bro. Shotgun is not that good. It's good for close range, but let me click on this. So guys, what I almost forgot to tell you guys is, yeah, my brother is inside of this. So yeah. I think I'm going to play him. He's on a match right now. I'm going to play versus him. Oh, here he is. Here he is. Good. Where is he? There he is. He's not even shaking. Oh my god, my brother is so dumb. Go inside there. Oh my gosh. He's telling me that it's lagging. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Bro, he's the worst. I'm not going to play with him, guys. I'm not going to play. There he is. He's not even moving. Oh, guys, sorry. I'm going to take. I'm going to see who's knocking. Okay, guys, it was the mailman. The mailman. Okay. 2, 1. Okay, guys, I'm going to take chess. Let's take chess. You got the same idea for me. Hmm. Let me take shotgun, handgun, fifth, and grenade. Wait there. Yep, shotgun, buddy. Got shotguns. Hehe. Let's do this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whoop. Whoop. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wait there, wait there. Ooh, I won. Oh, he tried to jump. He tried to jump on these things. But why is he so dumb? I need to take my handgun. That's more of my style. Yeah, easy. Easy, man. Shotgun is actually crazy in close range. But I think he originally types that, so I'm going to use my handgun. Wait, what are you using? No, he won. He won. No, 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 no. Guys, sorry. Okay, let me still stick with shotgun. Okay. No! I almost won! Oh my gosh! Guys, okay. Okay, let me lock in. Let me lock in. Let me lock in. Let me lock in. Boom. No. No! I almost won! No, 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 I almost won, I almost won. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Okay, let me lock in. Let me play now. Play seriously. He still won. He still won. Nah, guys, sorry, but I have to pick something else. I have to pick something else. Let me pick the ball. Psych. Yeah, that's what you get. Okay, I think I'm going to stay with Shorty. Okay, guys, wish me good luck. If my brother beats me right here, I'm lucky good. Yes, I won. Oh my gosh, I won. I won, guys. I won. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, guys, make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Starbucks, and I'm out. See ya.